Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today we will be saying some basic things about Python Turtle, which is part 36 of the Learn Python series, and in the further videos we will be making certain patterns and figures using this Turtle library. So let's get started. So the very first thing is to import the library. So we will write import Turtle as t, and if we start with making a line, then what do we need to write? We just have to write t dot and forward. And how much? Maybe like 100. So let us run this. And if we see, so you can see a window which disappeared immediately. So to make it appear or to keep it on screen, what can we do? We can just write t dot main loop and parentheses. So if we run this again, and you can see the screen is not disappeared and we can see this line. So the turtle has moved forward how much? 100 pixels. So this is the value of pixels, so it has moved 100 pixels. Okay, now if we want it to rotate or maybe to move down, then we can just use t dot and if I show you this again, so you can see if we want it to move like this downwards, then we need to rotate it 90-degree on the right side. If we rotate it on the left side, then it will move upwards. So let us try both the things one by one. So first let us make it move downwards. So it's t dot right 90, and then we can say to make a line maybe like 50. And if we run this again, you can see 100, it has moved here, then it has been rotated by 90-degree towards right, and then it has moved 50 pixels. Okay, so if we wanted to move upwards, then we can just comment this and t dot forward 100, then what we'll writing t dot left 90. So it will move upwards, and can just uncomment this. So it will first let me just paste it here so that it is more clear. So t dot left 90, so what it will do, it will move upwards by 50 pixels. So let us run and see, and indeed it has moved like this only, as we have already said. Okay, so this is the moving of forward moving, rotating it left or right. Now if we wanted to move backwards, then so if we just change this forward to backward and see the result, then you can see it has first moved forward by 100 pixel, and then what we gave, we just wrote left 90-degree and backward 50. So left 90 means like this, it will rotate towards here like an arrow, and then it will move backward by 50. So it has moved like this. Okay, and now if we wanted to go from this to some other place, then we'll just write t dot go to, and here we will be mentioning position we want it to go. For example, if we write 50 comma 50, so the default position from where the turtle starts move is home, which is origin 0 comma 0. So let us see this. So you can see this is the program as I've already discussed, and then it has moved to 50 comma 50 directly. Okay, but now if we want it to not to make this line, I mean if we want it goes from here to here and then suddenly it comes here without making this line, then we can use up and down functions. So we will write here t dot up, and here we will writing t dot down. So let us run this and see. So you can see there is no line made here, we just use the up and down. Okay, and if you want to change the shape of this is an arrow like shape. If you want it to be turtle only, then what? Then we can just use t dot shape, and here we will write in turtle. Now let us run, and you can see a turtle is formed here. So let us keep this above and here. And if we wanted to go slowly, because you can see here it's moving so much fast, so if we want to see every line step by step, then we can import time library, and then what can we do is time dot sleep 1, and this we will be pasting after forward and backward. Okay, now let us see. So you can see it has moved slowly, and now we can easily see the movement of this turtle. Like, but first it goes like this, and then it goes like this. Okay, so if I explain you up and down again, so what did we do here is we wrote t dot up. That means the line will not be formed after this, and we just said go to the 50 comma 50, so it went to 50 comma 50 without making any line or any dot or something. And then we said t dot down. Why did we say t dot down? Because like if you just copy this, if you want a line to be made, then you can see first goes like this, and then it skips to the position and comes here and then backward by 50 pixels. So you can see this is visible. If we do not want this to be visible as well, then what can we do is simply we'll just bring t dot down here. So between up and down, this and this function will be there, so both of these will not be visible. Like, let us try this. You can see first just go there, and now it skips to here. Okay, so this is very much useful in making many patterns, and we're making many figures and patterns in our further videos. So stay tuned with us. Happy coding!